Hello, good morning to everyone. How are you all? Fine? Very good. So class, a very warm welcome to everyone after your festival celebrations, and I hope you all have celebrated your festivals with lot of happiness as well as safely too. Isn't it? And I pray for a very good health even after these festivals for you all. But class, one thing more I would like to tell you is that festivals are over. Now it's time to get back to your studies as once again your tests are about to begin. So please don't think now whatever we have finished, it's okay. You have to keep revising it. And for that thing only today we are going to do a revision of the topic which we have already done, that is shapes. Is that clear? So class, today is 17th November 2020 and the day is Tuesday. So we are beginning with our today's classes with maths and the revision of the topic shapes. Now, can anyone tell me which are the different shapes that we have learned till now in maths? Can anyone tell me about that? Okay, let's draw one by one each shape. Clear? So, the first shape that we learnt is something, the one which is having no side. Yes, a shape which is having no sides. इसकी कोई side ही नहीं है. It's just a simple circle here, isn't it? A shape which is having no side at all. So, which shape is this? Yes, class, which shape is this? It's a circle shape. So, we are going to write that circle because it's a circle shape. Now, the next shape that we are going to discuss is a one which is having four sides. A shape having four sides and all these four sides are equal. Yes, four sides hai and all the four sides are equal. So, can you tell me which shape is this? First, let us draw a shape with four equal sides. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, these are the four sides of the shape, and can you see all these four sides are equal. So, what shape is this? It's a square. Square shape. Clear? Now, the next one is a shape which is again having four sides, but the four sides are not equal. Two sides are equal. Two standing lines and two sleeping lines. So, these two opposite two sides are equal. Now, can you tell me which shape is that? It's a rectangle shape whose opposite sides are equal, isn't it? Two opposite sides. ये देखिए, this side is equal to this. ये इसके equal है and this one is equal to this side. So when the four sides, a shape having four sides but the opposite sides are equal, we call it a rectangle. Yes, we call it a rectangle. Remember that? Now, next shape is a one which is having three sides and all the three sides are joined with each other. See, 1, 2, 3. So, these are the three sides we have. 1, 2, 3. Three sides. Now, tell me which shape is this? It's a triangle shape. Isn't it? A triangle shape. Now we are left with one more shape which we call it half the circle. अगर हम circle को half करेंगे तो what it will become? Let's draw a half circle. So this is half circle. So which shape is this? It's a semicircle, or you can call half circle also. Semicircle, or you can even call it half circle. in our maths? Circle, square, rectangle, triangle and semicircle. Now again, this can be asked in the form a shape. Name a shape, as you all know how to write these spellings also. So name a shape which is having no sides. No sides. जिसकी कोई side नहीं है. Can you tell me a shape with no sides? Circle. Circle की देखिए, there is no side, isn't it? Now a shape which is having three sides. A shape which is having three sides. Tell me, all the shapes are here with you. So which shape is having three sides? Triangle is having three sides. Now if I talk about, tell me the shape which looks like a boat. Tell me one shape which looks like a boat. Semicircle. Very good. So semicircle is the shape which looks like a boat. Then next, if I ask you a shape which is similar like a carom board. So you all are having a carom board at home. You all might have played carom board at home. So tell me a shape which looks like a carom board. Square. आपने देखा कैरम बोर्ड के भी 4 sides equal होते हैं. So square is the shape whose 4 sides are equal. So it's a square shape that looks like a carom board, or you can say a chess board also. Clear? Now a shape with opposite sides equal, rectangle. Can you give me two example of the objects that are rectangular in shape somewhere in your room only? Yes, we have a refrigerator, we have the doors, then you can say the window also, sometimes they are rectangle in shape, isn't it? Then other objects is a doormat, that is rectangular in shape. Table, if you remember the one which you use in your class, वो भी rectangle होती है, isn't it? So the table which the teacher is using, teacher's table, is also rectangular in shape. Dining table at your home is rectangular in shape, isn't it? So there are a lot of objects which are having rectangular shape. Clear? Now if we are taking examples of all these shapes, quickly give me two examples of circle shape. Any two examples? Yes, we have sun, moon, chapati, roti, smileys, then the wristwatch. All these are circle in shape. Eyeballs, ये देखिए eyes के अंदर जो black eyeballs है, so they are also circle in shape, isn't it? Then when a fan is moving, जब moving fan, वो कैसा दिखता है आपको? Again circle in shape, isn't it? Now if we talk about square, any two examples of square shape? I have just told you carom board, chess board. Now if you will look at the tiles, your floor of your room, if you are having tiles there, those tiles are also square in shape. Clear? Then if we are talking about rectangle, I have just told you so many objects. We have cupboards, we have doors, we have doormats, we have refrigerator. All these are rectangular in shape. क्योंकि इनकी opposite sides equal होती हैं. सारे sides तो equal नहीं होते ना? Okay. Moving to the next, we have a semicircle here. So for semicircle, we can say mushroom. You all have seen that white color vegetable. It's a mushroom. Then boat. Then we have a basket. Is also semicircle in shape. Then a tortoise is semicircle in shape. आप देखते हैं ना tortoise के ऊपर का जो shell होता है, that looks like a semicircle. Then anything else? An umbrella is also semicircle in shape, isn't it? Now talking about triangle, we have sandwiches, we have flags, then we have cones, birthday caps, ice cream cones. All these are triangle in shape, isn't it? Okay. So what you have to do, class? Your today's classwork. So talking about today's classwork, work to be done on book page number 24. So book page number 24. So I'll show you how you are going to do this first and then your homework also. So classwork is book page number 24. One thing. and your homework. In homework you are going to do is, in your maths notebook you will draw two objects of each shape with its shape. Okay? So how you are going to do your classwork and homework, I'll show you. First you see and then you do the work. Okay class? So class, now open your maths book 2 on page number 24. So when you will open this book on page number 24, you will find your topic shapes together. Okay? Now here this is the one which we are going to do as today's classwork. So write down the date 17 November 2020 and classwork here. ठीक है, ये हमारा classwork है. Now what the question is saying, match the objects with the correct shapes. See, the shapes are given in the center: square, circle, triangle, rectangle and half circle, or you can call it a semicircle also. ठीक है? Now these are the shapes, and on both the sides of the shape you are given the objects related to these shapes, like we have a clock, a CD, then we have a doormat, a fruit basket, a flag, a scenery, then we have a presume, then we have a carom board, a coin, a tortoise and a ice cream cone. So what you have to do, you are going to match the shape with the correct object. For example, square. Now tell me which object is square in shape? A carom board. So what you will do, you are going to match it like this. Clear? Any other square shape object can you see here? No. Okay, let's move to the next. The next shape given to us is a circle. Can you find out the things that are circle here, objects that are circle in shape? We have a clock, we'll match it. Then we have a CD. Again we are going to match it like this. Then any other circle shape object we can see? Yes, this is a 1 rupee coin. It's a circle in shape. So we are going to match it like this. Done. Next we have is a doormat. What is the shape of this doormat? It looks like a rectangle. So let's draw this and match both the doormat and rectangle. Any other rectangular object that you can see? Yes, which is that? We have a scenery here. This is also rectangular in shape. So we will match it like this. Clear? Now comes the next shape, that is triangle. Can you find out some triangular objects here? Search from this side. We have a flag here which is triangle in shape. So we will match it like this. Understood? Now move to the next side. Can we find any triangular object? Yes, this presume. It is triangular in shape. We are going to match it. Any other triangular object? An ice cream cone. Yes. So what we will do? We are going to match it like this. Now we are left with half circle, or you can say a semicircle. Isn't it? Now which are the objects that are semicircle in shape? Can you find? One is this, a fruit basket. So we are going to match this semicircle with fruit basket. And the last we are left is with a tortoise. So tortoise is also semicircle in shape. We will match it like this. Is that clear? Now this is your classwork. What is your homework for the day? Now open your notebook, your maths notebook, and write down today's date. So again that is 17th November 2020 and mention here HW, your homework. So what you will do, write the name of the shape that you have done. As I have written circle, draw two objects that are circular in shape. It can be any object of your choice. Clear? So what I am doing is, I will write the name of the shapes that we have done, and the object is your work to draw. So first is circle, Then we did square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. Then next we did triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. Next we did rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. Okay? And after rectangle we did semicircle or half circle. Semicircle. And you can also write it as half circle. So like this, you will first write the name of the shapes as I have shown you, and after that, like this, if circle we are talking about, I'll draw a smiley here, and what I can next draw is a sun. So like this, you are going to draw two objects of each shape in front of the name written. Is that clear? And yes, you will also learn these spellings as well. So class, I hope you have understood about how you are going to do the work today. So finish your work and share your work with me. With this, we have revised the topic of shapes. Now, how you are going to do the revision of this topic again and again. Thus, do the practice of different objects related to these shapes, as well as you have to learn the name of these shapes with their spellings. As I have told you that how we have done in the notebook, first draw the shape, then write the name. So when you are writing the name of the shape, you have to learn that spelling also. Is that clear to everyone? So complete the work and please keep your revision regular so that you can thorough with all the topics. Okay? Bye for now. Take care and get ready for your next EVS class.